Welcome to our Python tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to use Python requests library. Python requests get headers from response. How to read headers from response in Python using the requests API. So let's get started. Open the PyCharm and create a new Python file. First, we are going to import requests. So you can see it is not recognizing the requests library. Now I am going to install the requests module in Python. We successfully installed requests library in our virtual env, and you can see the import requests. Next we are going to use requests to call the HTTP URL. Resp means response equal to requests dot get and enter the so we are sending a get request to this our domain https://rosindia.net, and now we can print the headers response.headers. So it is going to print the response.headers is going to print the headers. Run the program. So it printed the response headers. Now we are going to show you how you can convert the headers into dictionary and then print all the header keys and values. So dict is equal to response resp dot headers, and we are going to print the type of dict. So you will see that this is the dictionary type. So this is a dictionary type. For key in dictionary, print key and the value like this. So run the code and you can see it is printing the headers as well. So header is date, value is this, content type is this, and transfer encoding is this, connection is keep alive, cache control is this. So this way you can use the Python requests library. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe our channel for more videos and tutorials.